What if I told you? The truth about bloop is far stranger than you ever imagined. The bloop sound is a low-frequency rumble detected by sensors over 3,000 miles apart underwater. This unexplained noise is louder than any known earthly sound, including volcanic eruptions and earthquakes. The sound wave was picked up by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration in 1997. Scientists believe it could be a massive iceberg breaking off or a marine animal, but nobody knows for sure. The frequency of the sound is so low that it's barely audible to humans, yet incredibly powerful. Researchers have been trying to locate the source of the sound for decades, but it remains a mystery. The bloop sound has been compared to a massive, underwater drumbeat, echoing through the ocean. Despite numerous attempts, the exact origin and cause of the bloop sound remain completely unknown today, leaving us with an unsettling question about what lies in the depths of our oceans. Subscribe and hit the bell for more mind-blowing mysteries revealed every single day.